Hey, there he is! Come and see here! Come and see here! Come and see here! Get him! Come and see here! On the hog! Come and see here! Come and see here!
Snell! Come and see her! Hey.
Hold fire, hold fire.
Move over to that bale. Both of you.
Over there. Sam, go with him. On the hog! Come and see here! Snell!
Vehicles are coming!
Hey! Vehicles! Vehicles!
Hey.
Fall back! Fall back! Hey, covering fire!
Alright, Bill, here.
Yep. Alright, move! Move! Get out of here! Go!
Move! Moving!
Moving! I'm out!
Covering!
Move! Let's go! Get out of there! Go, go, go! All right, Reckner, fall back. Let's go. Give him a shot. Oh. Okay, let's hold here. That was much better.
Got rid of a piece of ammo. Alright, let's go back to our game.
Yeah, let's go.
More than one way than up. Oh, safety's on.
Yep, always.
Yeah, so they were supposed to be close.
What? Here we go. Woo! Hold.
Second squad, or first squad, you gotta go ahead and get situated over on this side.
Right there.
Bazooka team.
They're right here.
Yep.
They're back to the diamond. Right with me. Keep your animals out. First squad, get ready to move. First squad, make sure you got full clip. It's about to take off. You going all the way? I'll take the fire down, Terry. No, I wouldn't go down.
Probably that hay bale right there.
All right, ready? Who's going to get me cover?
All right, all of us are going to give cover. All right, go, 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 go! Go, first squad!
First squad, let's go!
Right here. You got to hold.
Oh, that felt good. the bunker.
Dude.
Ready?
First!
Go fire.
We can go around that way.
Get the fire for covering fire.
Second squad, give us cover! Give us covering fire!
Move!
Go!
Second squad.
Dadgummit.
Second squad. Take the fence. Okay, I need you to get behind where these are. Take out the bunker.
What you hear is firing, rapid fire from the American side is a BAR, Browning automatic rifle.
Check my clip, my round popped out.
Somebody call for a medic.
Medic!
All the medics are over there. So dumb. Medic! Medic! Medic!
38 or a Luger. Now the Americans are going back at the
Medic!
come forward and help the wounded.
Where's your medic? Will, Jason, go double check him. Quickly. Stay here with him.
Sorry, man. Need some water?
Yeah, water would be good.
Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our second battle for today. Please stay seated. We will
Good deal.
You're alive, baby. I'm alive.
Yeah.
The licks are alive.
The licks are alive. Oh. Appreciate it.
I will give you a brief description of each vehicle as they go by. Please do not try to get to the vehicles before they are fully parked. These vehicles are...
Look at this, it happened again. The op rod skipped off the bolt. It's the second time it happened.
So steering on is not as easy as using a fingertip. You got to fight something.
wonder what's going on.
To determine the direction you want it to go.
You alright, Sergeant?
To survive.
What's that?
I was the last of my riflemen to survive.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yep.
One and nine! All in!
Sammy got all the clips.
So I put them in my bag.
Let's take a drink.
Drink water. One on, drink.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go ahead and introduce the newest 2 units
Every time.
by unit name and where they're out of. First unit to my far left, 30th Infantry, German Wehrmacht Infantry. They are out of Kentucky and Indiana area. Second group, 1st Company, 5th Fallschirmjäger Regiment, 3rd Flieger Division. They are a Kentucky, Tennessee, and Indiana group. The group immediately in front of me is LAH National. They have members from all over the United States. Next group, 29th U.S. Infantry Division. They are also a national group with members from throughout the United States.
29!
Let's go!
29!
Let's go!
Unit commander, take charge of your units. Make sure you go back to camp and hydrate.
Company on the command to fall out will fall out back to camp. Fall out! 29!
Let's go!
29!
Let's go!
What are you waiting on for? Good indication? We're gonna wait on you all day.
Will you see you run through the fence?
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I hit that fence, and I took the fence from where it was at to the table. So I was throwing
Go.
folks away from me because they were right on top of us.
Nice. Yeah, I didn't make it that far. My bolt, fell
Oh, that's
apart.
right, your off rod.
Yep. I must have, I don't know, greased it too much or something.
You know how to fix it, right?
Oh, yeah.
Did you already fix it?
Not yet.
All right, as we wait for the